Hi, good morning. This is Manang Mimi from Nebraska, USA. This morning, when I wake up, the snow is really thick. I don't know how much thick. I think here in outside our lawn, I think it's 2 to 3 inches. Can't you believe that? I will show it to you in a little bit. Look, the snow. That's the first snow of the year. I mean, like this October, this month. And since it's cold outside and I don't feel like going outside, even my boys keep on bugging me to make a snowman. You know, winter is snow is really beautiful, but I don't like the uh, to those of you that live in a tropical area, if you haven't experienced snow yet, put your face in the freezer or the refrigerator and put it there for how many minutes. That's how it feels. So you will know how it feels. But to those of you that experience already in the experience now, so you know what I feel. By the way, without further ado, we are gonna arrange closet, messy closet. Since this house was built, I think I already arranged like 2 or 3 times, and even how I arrange it, and then I'm in a hurry and I just put it there. This is the reality. I know your closet, I guess, is well arranged, but I will tell you, mine is not. And that's, I will be honest with you. So here it is. I will show it to you, the before and the after. Okay. There. Look. That's the before. Little farther. Okay, what I'm gonna do is remove all the stuff in here and segregate the thick. The thick is, I'm gonna use this season because it's cold, and the thinner one will be put up there. Okay, like thick in bed sheets. Okay, I'll just figure that out in a little bit. It starts working. Okay, now it's done. Okay, this is all the linen, not including that linen that I put in the other room in my bed, in the bedroom. So I'm gonna segregate this one for right now, and we'll see. The one that I need, I'm gonna put it in there, put it back, and then some of it that we don't need, I'm gonna get rid of it. There's no sense of putting it there and never use it. Okay. Okay, these bed sheets, or I don't know, top of the bed sheets, this is from my mother-in-law, and I really like it. There's a lot of crochet afghan or blankets, but I only pick couple. This one is really beautiful, and this one I really like this because you can hardly see like this handmade stuff, like an afghan or crochet blanket. since I like homemade creation, this one takes a lot of time sake, and I like this. Look, okay, I got a couple of these. I ordered this before for $10 a piece online, and I supposed to put flowers in it, but I decided not to because I have plants now, so I use one of it in there. For the existing stuff, I got camper linens in there. When we go camping, we grab that one and put it in there, our tent. And I order blankets. The last time I got 10 of these and get rid of some of it. And this one, that's White Queen Ultimate Feel Softness. It's one flat sheet and one fitted and 2 pillowcases in one pack. So I got, I think, 10 of that one, but I put it in the box, the balikbayan box, and that's extra. So when I need something like that, then I can use it. And this one for the camper, and this one extra towels for winter. And this one, it's our old stuff that we love to use, but it needs to rest for a little bit because it's cold now. So we have the thicker one, and I still have the extra one in here, one extra. I cannot fit it in there. So now I am in the final folding here, and I'm gonna work for it. Okay, it should not be perfect, but good enough. And I'm gonna pull the other one and put away this, and I'll be done in a little bit. Okay, that's the last bed sheets that needs to put away. Okay, that's good enough. So there is the after. So that's all. At least there's still a little bit of room up there when I need to put something, because the other stuff that we need, except for these two, it's in the bedroom right now because we need it.